Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Mediavine to Payoneer or bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your earnings from Mediavine to Payoneer or a bank account, begin by signing into your Mediavine dashboard. Locate the Payments section in the dashboard. Click on Payment Settings to review your current payment method. If you have not set up a payment method yet, select your preferred option. For Payoneer, choose Payoneer from the available payment methods. You will need to link your Payoneer account. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Mediavine and Payoneer. Ensure all relevant details are entered accurately. If you prefer a bank transfer, select Bank Transfer instead. Enter your bank account details including account number and routing number. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, save your payment settings. Next, navigate to the Earnings tab in your Mediavine dashboard. Check your available balance to ensure you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. Select the option to initiate a withdrawal. Choose your preferred payment method, either Payoneer or bank transfer. Confirm the withdrawal amount you wish to withdraw. Review all details one last time before submitting the transaction. After submission, wait for confirmation from Mediavine regarding your withdrawal. Monitor your Payoneer account or bank account for the deposit. Be aware that processing times may vary depending on the chosen payment method. Keep track of your earnings and withdrawals for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.